Good morning. It is Wednesday and it's 2 p.m. It's not morning. Good afternoon. I thought that it would be nice to take you guys through me doing my hair today. I haven't really filmed much today because my hair is probably going to take up most of my time. So I have my little chia seed lemon water. Before I get into my hair, I want to share with you guys what I got from the beauty supply because y'all saw me go there one time, forget what I needed, go back, got the one thing that I wanted, and then go back again because the second time I went to a new beauty supply and I had to go back because I saw things that I peeped, but I was with my man and we were about to go grocery shopping, so I was like, okay, that's rude, and I'll go back by myself. So I did, and this is what I got. So, actually, let's just do one bag at a time. This one is the funniest to me because this was the trip I was supposed to get the flexi rods on, and I'm like, ooh, let me get this new spray bottle. I love lavender these days. Love lavender these days. I do this thing where I pick a color and just become over heels, head, heels over head. I get head over heels about that color for a while, and then I buy a lot of things in that color. So right now it's lavender. Take notes. Also got this applicator bottle for a recipe that I do not have or know yet. Very useful, just in case you never know. Then I also got my OG As I Am double buttercream. This is my favorite, most moisturizing leave-in conditioner of all time. And then I wanted another one of these. I showed you guys this in my Amazon favorites video. But I couldn't find one, so I got purple, and I got kind of a smaller one, so hopefully that holds my hair as well as this black one does. And I kind of wanted a smaller one because I just feel cute with it on my wrist, and this one looks like XL. And then I saw these pink hair ties, and this is my I don't know if you guys have seen these in black, but these in black are my holy grail go-to high puff hair ties. They're super soft. They also stretch over time, which I think some people hate, but I really enjoy because I have some that are really small and tight, and then some that are larger for different styles, lazier days, stuff like that. So I got these, and then I also got just like some smaller brown ones so I can do space buns. And then I got these beads. I guess I was feeling creative because I got these as well. These like pink rubber bands. I've never experimented with colored rubber bands before. So, and then the last thing that I got is this Maui Moisture Curl Quench line. I'm trying to move toward using less products, and I don't necessarily mean like the volume that I'm using every time. I mean more of a simple routine: shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in. So I ended up getting this whole line, and the main reason why I want to try it is because I have tried the pink Maui Moisture line, and that one is bomb and super affordable compared to most of the things out here. So I decided that I want to try the Curl Quench Coconut Oil line. And you know, I mentioned that my hair feels like it's kind of sensitive to coconut before, so I'm wondering if this is going to work for me. This is kind of what it looks like. Super cute. I'd be lying if I didn't say that I love that it was orange. And that's it for the first run. I ended up taking like 2 TikToks as well, and then completely forgot the flexi rods. So So I went back. Well, actually, I went to a different store because this one was closer to the grocery store that we wanted to go to. And FYI, if you haven't lived in the hood before, when you live in the hood, you must drive about 30 to 40 minutes in order to find healthy food, good grocery stores, stuff like that. So found beauty supply over there by that grocery store. Got my flexi rods. Got the Diane. Have no idea what the heck that means. This is a 12 pack, 10 by 9/16. So I got 3 of those. Okay, and then I got a 6 pack of 7 by 11/16. For some reason I thought the curls by my face should be bigger. But if you can't tell from my demeanor right now, I'm completely questioning my logic. I have no idea. And I also realized I don't think I need 12 packs. I just don't really know anything about flexi rods, to be quite honest with you. I've been natural for 3 to 4 years now. Never tried them. Always been too scared. I'm gonna be using this foam that I got. Please focus. And that is it. Pray for me. Before we even move on to the flexi rods, let's talk about this last beauty supply haul. And by the way, for all of these stores, and all of these products, I spent less than $80, which is pretty good. So the second time I went, I was kind of sad. I've been feeling pretty emotional. Like I have a weight on me a little bit. So girl who grew up with a mother who didn't specifically verbalize her feelings or show love in a touchy, affectionate way, but show love by buying her things. Girl who now uses retail therapy to cope with her feelings. So for some reason I thought I needed exfoliating gloves when I was in the store. I don't know why. I just felt like I gotta have it. Okay. Then I got more silk scrunchies. Same pack. I love neutrals. Got my man this thing situation because he asked me to blow out his hair a couple nights ago, and so I wanted him to have something where he could kind of like put everything back but didn't have to tie a scarf. And then he asked for me to stretch them, so I got these little guys and stretched his hair last night. He's got like 5 or 6 little like ponies on his hair, and then they kind of like go down. It's cute. And then I needed more scrunchies. Apparently. Like, blue is not even really my color, but I just decided I had to have those in that moment. And then I got this Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, conditioner, and intense moisturizing treatment. Oh, my baby's crying at my door. Let me get him. Hi. Oh my gosh. You poor thing. You poor thing. Oh no. Oh. This is what that looks like. Okay, that's the back of the bottle. Say, just get it together. This is what the back, not the back, this is what the bottles look like. Now I'm distracted because my dog's in here. Let's get to the flexi rods. I'm gonna be parting my hair down the middle all the way back and then doing about 8 sections on each side. And yeah, I don't really want to make a tutorial because I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, so I'm gonna practice and then I'll come back with some tips and things I learned and stuff like that. Cool. Okay, I'm back, and Tristan just went to go work out, so I am going to make a nice home-cooked meal. My eyes are a little puffy just because I have been tearing up listening to Paramore all day. 7th grade me is just having a moment. I don't know, I don't have any reasons. But yeah, I'm going to get into the kitchen and probably catch up on some of Arnell's videos, and Kane's gonna stop crying. Kane's gonna stop crying and ruining my video. Thank you. And yeah, I think I want to make some homemade pesto, and we'll see. I'm just gonna kind of freestyle and hope for the best. Bye.